So here we need to answer the question, is the total price of the items in this shopping cart less than $25? So yes and no is the outcome. So we'll start with statement 1. Says there are 5 items. Well, if we have 5 items, they could each be, let's say, $10. In that case, their sum would be 50, and the answer would be no. But they could be each $1, in which case they would add up to 5, and the answer would be yes. So we have a yes and a no. One alone is insufficient. If we look at 2, it says the most expensive item in the cart is $4.99. Now, in statement 2, we don't know how many items we have. So, for example, if we have 10 items, and then one of them is $4.99, and then the remaining are also $4.99, let's say. In that case, that total would be $49.90, which again would answer this question as a no. But we could also have one item that's $4.99, and the remaining, let's say 9 items are $1 each. In this case, it will be $9 plus that, which would be $13.99, and that would answer it as a yes. So again, we have a yes and a no. 2 alone is insufficient. If we combine 1 and 2, we know that there are 5 items, and the most expensive is $4.99. So the remaining 4 can at most be $4.99, and you'll see that this is slightly less than 5. If you multiply, you will get $24.95. So that's the upper limit of what the total price would be. So no matter what the price is of the other 4 items, the sum or the total price will always be less than $25. So in this case, we know the answer to the question. It would be a definite yes, and the answer is 1 and 2 combined are sufficient. Choice C.